Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing really well. In today's video, I have a review video slash try on or demonstration video how I use the ORS Curls Unleashed Moisturizing Bee-Wax Color Blast Temporary Hair Makeup Wax. Wow, this was a very long mouthful, but I just read what was on here on the packaging. So yeah, if you guys want to know how I use this, what's my opinion regarding this, what is this product actually about, then keep on watching. A little bit of a story, I'm gonna be very quick in this video. So basically, I am someone who loves to color the hair. I always loved hair color since my childhood, and I always have colored my hair. And 2 years ago I did highlights, which I loved so much. I honestly love my highlights so much, and it literally pops up my hair, my hair color, my eye color. And I did this kind of brown, kind of blondish highlights, which I loved so much, and I get that I'm very excited in this video. Did get them done professionally in the hair salon, which I paid a lot of money, to be honest. I did not expect to pay that much money for my hair, but anyways, hair colored to do them in the salon is very expensive, so bear that in mind. So one day I decided to check out this product. Now I saw this product on TikTok. Now TikTok made me buy this product, and this is another kind of TikTok made me buy kind of videos, by the way. So I found out that this is like a colored hair wax. I saw the guy rubbing his fingers between this product and literally styling his hair, and it gave his hair like this instant color, which I was blown away. I loved the hair so much, and I was like researching on Amazon, researching on Google, till I finally found the perfect brand that I was comfortable to go for, because there's so many different type of colored wax in Amazon. So bear that in mind, you don't want to get something which is really harsh of chemicals or really something bad for your hair. So I went for the good kind of brand, I believe, and I got this from Look Fantastic. Obviously Look Fantastic is like a British kind of world-known kind of beauty platform. So I got it from there, and I placed my order. I'm actually a loyal customer to Look Fantastic. All of my kind of niche products and stuff like that is from Look Fantastic. This video is not sponsored, by the way, so I wish it was, but it's not. But anyways, the brand in particular is from ORS, and it's basically a temporary hair makeup wax. Basically, ORS is mostly specifically designed for black hair type, like for black women, and obviously the hair type from them is a bit different. So this is like a color wax basically. So you put on the products like a cream wax on your hair, and it instantly colors your hair. How genius is this? When I saw this, I was like, oh my god, is this maybe the way for me to do my highlights, or do like the kind of some of my strands and give them a bit of a color instead of like going professionally like to the salon? Because I don't know if I tell you guys, because I'm really kind of hyped in this video and really excited to talk about this. When I went to the salon, I obviously love my highlights like 3 years ago or 4 years ago, but it does and also it did damage your hair, because the guy used bleach, and honestly it does and still give me so much hair loss, and I really regretted it sometimes, because the hair loss was insane. Because bleach is not good for your hair, because sometimes it does gives your hair some bit of a hair fall or hair loss, hence why I'm using the vitamins over here. I feel like I don't need to say the purpose regarding this product. It's pretty self-explanatory, but the directions at the back here, it says wear gloves during application. I don't wear any gloves because you can just wash it off, because it does stain your hands, but just wash it off, it goes away. Take in a nice amount of colored wax in your hands. Using your fingertips, apply product to your hair, style as desired. So I have been doing my hair like small highlights. I'm gonna hopefully insert the video here how I demonstrate this product to you guys. First of all, the texture. The texture of this is a very kind of liquidy, not liquidy, it's more like a soft kind of creamy kind of texture. It's not like a wax, like a hard wax. It's more like a soft, creamier wax, like a colored wax. This is the texture of this. The smell of this, it has a very nice kind of clean, kind of soapy scent. It's not like a harsh chemically kind of hair dye scent, which I really liked. because it has a very nice kind of scent as well. So kind of like a professionally shampoo, soapy kind of scent. So when I take this product, a very small amount, what I do with my left hand, I take my hair in strands. I kind of section this kind of hair with this kind of hand, because making sure that this hand, my left hand, is not in color, basically to keep these fingers very clean, because you want the clean effect. And with my right hand, I go with the color and I take a nice amount, rub it between my fingertips with my thumb and point finger, and just hold the strand with my left hand, can't even talk in this video, and I go with the color with my right hand and just gently rub and color in the hair like this. And I do this in every section of my hair, starting from the left hand side to the right hand side, and making sure to go very precise, because sometimes you want to make sure that you really go from the roots up to the end of the hair, because if you don't put enough color, especially in the roots, it does look like a bit patchy or feels like your roots are growing out. You want to make sure that you're very precise around the hairline and around the roots. And I take my time to do this, and I go from left and right. I take a small section of my hair strands, I literally hold it with my left and color it with my right hand side finger, and honestly it gives such a nice natural look. Now you can go heavy-handed. If you want a nice natural look, go with a light amount of color, but if you want super impact, full of color, vibrant color, then go a bit heavy-handed with the color. Put 2 layers of the color, or even 3 layers of the color from left and right, and then work it in. Not only it colors your hair, it also hardens your hair, which means that it styles your hair. So if you want to have you go up, make sure that your hair strand is really nice and kind of hold it very nice and tight, and then color it in, and also color it in a way that you want your hair to be styled as well, if it makes any sense. Because I want my hair, sorry if you can hear the helicopter, if you want the hair to be nice and like lifted and have a nice volume at the top, then keep the hair strand at the top and make sure you color it also like at the top, if it makes any sense. I'm gonna obviously insert the video on the screen so you guys can see that as well. So I like to take my time with this, and I like to go very precise and take your time. If you do it in a hurry, then it might come out very kind of weird. And honestly, with this product, I've been so stunned, so amazed. It does not give my hair any hair loss. Don't you worry, it hasn't got any harsh chemicals that gives you hair loss. I've been using this for 2 weeks now, and I can definitely guarantee you guys it works for my hair. It's not very harsh on chemicals. Now if I'm reading in the chemicals, is there any kind of chemicals in here? Not really kind of harsh chemicals. Now it does have no kind of things, I must say. It's got the beeswax, more like a beeswax kind of texture. It does contain alcohol, it does contain perfume and fragrance, it contains glycerin, stuff like that, and the rest of the ingredients I don't really know what there are, so don't quote me on that. Now it does have a warning thing, because it says avoid contact with eyes and irritate the skin. So don't get it around your eyes. So yeah, it hasn't got any harsh chemicals. And the color of this, by the way, this brand has a bunch of different type of other colors. They have like a blue one, a pink one, an orange one, some crazy colors they have actually. But this is the golden bath, which is this nice, I'm gonna obviously show you guys, it's this nice coppery, bronzy, beautiful color. And it does look scary on the tin, don't you worry. Once it blends in with the black, it has a very nice brown, blonde, not blonde, like a brown caramel highlights, which I love so much. I love this kind of color and as highlights on my hair. So if you're thinking how long is this longevity or how long it lasts, it's like a vivid color which lasts for up to a week. It defines and elongates curls. It's a very quick application and stays on until your hair is washed out. There's no damage, and there's a low color transfer once dry. So as I said, you guys, it does define the hair very nicely. If you put gel on your hair, it's a very quick application and it stays dry very quick, and it washes off very nicely. So if you want to go for your hair wash, you wash off your hair normally with your shampoo and conditioner, and it washes off with no problem. It gets rid of all the color with a nice quick hair wash. And in terms of the low color transfer once dried, better than mine. So once this product dries off, yes, there is a low color transfer. So for example, I've done my hair, and then later, an hour later, I go through it and touch it a little bit and just rub it in. It does have like a kind of shimmery low color transfer. It doesn't get rid of all the color at all. Don't you worry. It does transfer a little bit of color. So better than mine. If you're changing your clothes, your top, hopefully it doesn't give like you stains on your clothes if you're changing. So better than mine, and be careful if you're changing any type of things, or even if you're touching your hair like that throughout the day with the highlights. It does give a hair color, low color transfer basically. And also what I noticed, if you want to do the highlights, do not brush your hair afterwards, because the highlights will be ruined and the color will be basically spread around the hair, so the highlights wouldn't really necessarily work. However, if you want like a full-on color around the hair or around the front of your hair, then you can do that, and you can brush your hair. You can just go all over the hair with the product. But if you want the highlights, do separate the hair as I did and go with like sparingly, strand by strand, and this will create the effects. And oh my god, when I went to work, everybody was stunned, and when I take the pictures on my Instagram, everybody was like, oh my god, your hair looks amazing. How did you do it? When did you do it? Which salon did you go to? It looks so nice, so natural, because you can create a nice natural look, and also you can go really out with the color. And this was all thanks to this. And it does basically like how you'd apply makeup, or how you would do any type of things with kind of makeup in general. Practice makes you, what's the saying? Practice makes you the venom, practice makes you the best, or something like that. The more you practice, basically, the more you get used to it, the more you'll find it easier to use it for the next time. Obviously, try it out at home one day in your own time that you're not going out. Experiment with this and see how you get along. And honestly, it's so amazing, and it's a huge top actually as well. It's 6 fluid ounces, it's 171 grams, and this will last me literally for years and years, considering I've used it quite a lot already. And I barely touch this product because it's super rich in color, and obviously you guys have seen it in texture, and it's super nice and has a very nice scent as well. So overall, this find is such an amazing find, and I'm so happy I found this, and I cannot recommend you guys to go and check it out. I'm gonna leave a link down below in the description for you guys to go and check it out. I did not find it on the stores, but I found it on Look Fantastic, so definitely go and check it out. So I'm just on the Look Fantastic website, and it's an oil infused enriched and moisturizing bee wax to elongate and define curls. The sculpting wax allows you to express yourself through color and set your styles in place. Ideal for applying on dry or damp hair, the golden wax can be layered with other colored blast shades for customized looks that washes out clean with shampoo. This product is suitable for all hair types: straight, curly, wavy, kinky, or braids. And the best thing about this is paraben and sulfate free, and also cruelty free, which is so good. And the price of this is £7.58, so around £7.50, and I'm pretty sure you'll find this on offer and stuff like that, or on free delivery and some kind of bundles and stuff like that. So definitely check out Look Fantastic, and honestly, £8 for this, for something that will last you for a very long time, is so good. And specifically a product that really works and so is amazing, then it's definitely worth it. Obviously in this video I'm not wearing it, I haven't done anything, but I'm gonna do it hopefully tomorrow as I'm filming the demo. So by the time you're watching the demo, this is basically the day after I'm doing the hair on my the highlights on my hair, so I cannot wait to do it. And honestly, I just love highlights in general, and I love hair color in general, so this is literally a godsend product. And thanks to TikTok, I found this product and I love it so much. Alright everyone, so this was it with this video slash review of the ORS hair color makeup basically. Hope you guys found this video all informative and helpful. So if you didn't, please give this video a like, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty related videos like these. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at RamaBlogger, where always you'll be notified earlier with this type of products, and I've been posting pictures much earlier than that on my Instagram here there rather than on my YouTube, so definitely follow me over there to be updated with the latest post. I hope you guys are staying safe, hope you guys are doing really well, and yeah, whatever you're doing, I hope you guys having a fabulous day. Thanks so much for watching. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next video.